Access a website. Customers will be able to access the website to place orders.
Browse through. I could easily browse through the site and find the product I wanted. Click on a link. Click on the link and it will take you directly to the website.
Download. You can download the information to your computer.
E-commerce. E-commerce is becoming an important way of doing business.
Have a presence. It's very important for us to have a presence on the internet. Homepage. You can access the homepage more easily if there are no big images.
Maintain. I both design and maintain these websites.
Navigate. It's not easy to navigate your way around their site.
Online. Companies with mail order catalogues should sell online.
Provide help. We provide technical help for our digital camera users.
Scroll down. Use your mouse to scroll down to the bottom of the page.
Sell over the internet. UR Fashion plc has now decided to sell over the internet.
Set up a website. He has paid a designer to set up a website for the company.
Share data. Researchers can share data on special websites.
Site customer. New site customers can pay online.
User-friendly. We need a website that's user-friendly and easy to understand. Sell over the internet. UR Fashion plc has now decided to sell over the internet.
Ahead of schedule, behind schedule, deadline, evaluate, in time, on schedule, on time, record, review, steps.